Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat. So first, with a sheet of paper, fold it in half this way, nice and neatly, just like this. Line the edges up, just really nice. After that, turn it this way up and fold it again, just like this. And after that, open it up back one. And if you see this flappy side here, just like that, close it. But then the side it doesn't flap, do this on it on each side and do small one, just like that, and do it on the other side. And after that, if you see, you just need to lift this bit up over there and flip it over. And put it over that bit there, line it up nice and neatly. And once you've done that, with these small flaps, put this bit in here and tuck it over. And also do it on the other side and tuck it over. Like that. Open it up, just like this. And this is the tricky bit, and then just fold it down. And when you do it, it should be like a small hat. Hello, I'm at a party. And after that, you need to fold it down like that. Push it down. And fold it over like that. If you can see that. And do it on the other side, so flip it over. And do it on that side there. Nice and neatly, just like that. And after that, you open it up, this is the trick of it, and just like another small hat, you fold it down again. Okay. Just make it nice and neat. And get it inside. And after that, with those small bits there, just open it up. And go like that. Then go like that. Put that in the middle, and just go like that. And push it, and line it all up. And like that. 1 second. And push down. And hold those two sides and put it apart a bit. Then here's your nice boat. Then it actually is waterproof. It could probably last in water for at least, I would say, 10 or 20 minutes. So these do work pretty well. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe and push that like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. See you next time.